Let's go early before it gets crowded.
Is it very cold today?
Yes, but you're nice and warm in here. Can we play in the snow later? Come on, wake up. We need to go shopping.
Shopping? Okay, Mommy.
It is snowing heavily. Walk slowly.
Dad, why is he sitting here? Can we help him?
I need warmth, not coins.
We can't leave him here.
Let's take him home.
Are you sure? Is it okay?
Yes. Okay, let me get some groceries first. All right, let's see what we need. Got the groceries!
Yay!
Perfect timing, dear.
Let's go.
This will keep you warm.
Thank you.
You are safe here.
You are very kind.
My mom taught me.
You remind me of my daughter.
I once had a family. I worked hard every day. Then I lost my job. Illness took my savings. I lost my home. But I didn't lose my hope. I wake up each morning and keep going, because my story isn't over yet. And one day I'll find my way back.
Another new day.
We want to help you more.
There is a good aged home nearby.
I surely trust you.
They will care for you.
I hope these warm clothes are enough.
You are very kind. I shall forever be grateful to you.
Nice weather today. Let's go inside.
How can I help you, sir?
We are here for him.
Please take good care of him. This is your bed.
Will you be happy here?
Yes.
You are not alone.
Take care.
I will. Never stop being kind.
I won't.
We have to leave now.
You saved my life.
We just cared.
That's enough.
We have to leave now. Take care of yourself. We shall surely visit you.
Thank you. I look forward to it. Goodbye.
Did we do the right thing?
Yes.
We are finally home.
Okay, let me make some tea.
Mom, look, I made a picture of that grandpa.
That is so wonderful, dear.
Small acts matter.
God bless them. Thank you, God.
I feel lighter today.
So do I. Helping him helped us too.
I liked holding his hand.
That was kindness.
And kindness stays with us.
One small choice can change a life.
Sometimes many lives.
You must be tired, dear. Go to sleep.
Okay, let's rest. Good night, love.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
The old man sleeps peacefully in his bed at the old age home, wrapped in quiet calm and gentle light.
Good morning, dear.
I hope the old man is happy there.
I'm sure he is.
The old age home must be peaceful in the mornings.
Yes, they will take good care of him.
Good morning, Mom and Dad.
Good morning.
Good morning, sweetie. Is Grandpa happy there?
He sure is.
This is nice, isn't it?
It is so peaceful.
As they stepped outside, the cool morning air brushed their faces, birds calling, life moving forward. The child walked with them, holding both their hands, and for a moment, they all moved in silence.
Thank you for listening. Please subscribe for more English conversations and English lessons. See you next time.